In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily install MELD using conda. So the first step, we're going to create a conda environment. You can name it whatever you want. I will name it MELD CUDA. And now the new environment is installed, and it will activate this new environment. And now you can see we're under the new conda environment. So before installing MELD, as you may know, MELD is a plugin to the popular molecular dynamics engine OpenMM. So we have to make sure that OpenMM is also installed in our conda. So before installing MELD, we'll install OpenMM first. And you will see all the required packages for OpenMM, and we'll install them. As you can see, all these packages are already available in my conda environment, so they're not installing twice. And now we can test this OpenMM functionality. It found 4 platforms. As you can see, the reference CPU, CUDA, and OpenCL are computed successfully. So now we can start to install MELD. Again, we're going to see all these packages that are required by MELD, and we're going to install them. Now the MELD installation is done, but we have to also make sure that the other 2 packages that are required by MELD is also installed, which are OpenMPI and MPI4PY. And we're going to install them. Okay. So now we have finished all these packages that are required by MELD and OpenMM, and we can run a short test to test their functionalities. Here I have a simple setup script for MELD, and we're going to use for test. So the first step in MELD is to create a data directory to save all the information for the simulation. And we're going to start to generate data directory. And now the data directory is successfully generated, and we can start to run the simulation. Despite some warnings, it seems like the simulation is successfully running, and we can just stop here and go back to check the simulation is actually running successfully. As you can see, now we also generated the REMD log file, and we'll go into the log file. As you can see, the simulation is already running for several steps. Of course, you can run longer and test on several systems. Okay, now hope you have learned how to install MELD easily using conda environment. And if you want to install MELD from scratch and build from source, you can check the MELD GitHub page. Thank you for watching.